Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about AWS Cloud Migration Strategies. So, see, every company, every application, like most of the applications are in on-premises, the older version, and now every application wants to be in the cloud space. So, not every, we can say like at least 90% of the applications wants to be in the cloud uh, because of the scaling, because of the the latency issues and everything, the security, you can say. So for and cost effectiveness, that is a number one feature. So this is the main reason why every company wants to be in the cloud space. So let's see how we can migrate, what strategies we can implement to migrate to the cloud from on premises. So migrating to AWS involves four key phases: preparing, preparation, planning, migration, and optimization. Each phase ensures a smooth transition with minimal downtime and maximum efficiency. So, preparation, there are four stages like preparation, planning, migration, and monitor and optimize. So, where we'll prepare the application. So, on premises applications might be in the monolithic. So, we need to make sure the application he is to be very uh, efficient while transitioning from on-premises to cloud, right? So sometimes we may miss some features, like we could not able to do the complete application like in a go. So we need to make sure that making the application into microservices, and there we need to remove some features which are not useful, and only we will add some other features, so which are very relevant for our application. So also like adding other features like monitoring features, or also the elasticity features, and all the things we can add while migrating to the AWS. So we use these four phases like preparation and planning, define migration strategy and tools, and migration, execute and monitor transition. So we'll execute and we'll monitor each feature. So once we make the our application into microservices, so each service will move, and then we'll make those services more accurate and more accessible. And here are the 7R framework we use for the transition from on premises to cloud. The 7Rs, which this the 7R, the framework which we call it as. So here are the 7Rs. So rehosting and replatforming, repurchasing, where in the rehosting we'll leave the application and shift the application. So we are not doing any changes. Okay. And replatforming, so we'll make them very few changes while moving a self-managed MySQL database to Amazon RDS for automated backups for and scaling. Okay, in this phase, so we'll only make like minor changes, very minor changes, and repurchasing, replace an existing application with a SaaS solution. Because see, on premises we need the all the services, we need to purchase all the services, but when you move to the cloud, so you can use the SaaS services like any SaaS service. For example, here I have mentioned Microsoft Exchange server with a Microsoft 365, but you can use any SaaS service for the monitoring, or the for cost optimization or scaling, anything. So you can use a software as a service, so you can pay how much you use a particular service. And replatforming, here we will also use the only like related service, we just use make the changes. And rehosting, migrating a virtual machine from a on premises data center to Amazon EC2 instance. So we'll directly shift the complete application from, like we will just take that and use that service. And refactoring, redesign the application to fully utilize AWS cloud native features, converting a monolithic application. This is a primary feature we use into microservices based architecture using AWS Lambda and DynamoDB. So this is the biggest feature we use while converting from on premises to cloud. Retire, and identify what are the applications we are not using or not no longer needed. So we'll the shut down on old inventory management system that is now obsolete. So see, which are services we are not using, we'll just close that application and we won't migrate to the cloud. Retain, keep some applications on premises due to business compliance or security reasons. So we'll see, even some payment gateway or any in secure data will access that through on premises itself. So we'll use it as a hybrid service. So we use all the application through AWS for, but the security compliances when based on the data, based on the payment gateway systems or anything other related, for example other related information. So we'll use the on premises for that to make that application very secure. So this is one of the new feature on the AWS. So relocate, move workloads to AWS VMware cloud without needing changes in infrastructure or operations. Example, migrating a VMware based on premises operations on premises or data center to AWS. So yeah, that's about today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. So see, my main motto is to explain how we can migrate from cloud to from on premises to cloud. That's it. So how, what are the steps involved, and how the process would be. So here is the strategies involved while to migrate the from on premises to any cloud platform. We use mostly from all the cloud platform, we use the same scenarios. Thank you so much.